Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy ranch dressing. To begin, combine 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 1/2 cup of sour cream in a medium bowl. This creates the essential creamy base for our dressing. Next, finely chop 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, 1 tablespoon of chives, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. These fresh herbs are crucial for that classic ranch taste. Finally, whisk in 1/4 cup of buttermilk until smooth. Now, let's elevate the flavor profile. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder to the mixture. These dry seasonings provide a consistent, savory base. For a subtle but impactful umami kick, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. This secret ingredient truly makes a difference. To balance the richness and add a bright finish, incorporate 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or fresh lemon juice. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Once all your ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to mix. Whisk everything together vigorously until the dressing is completely smooth and all the herbs and spices are evenly distributed. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor. For the best results, cover the bowl and refrigerate the ranch dressing for at least 30 minutes. Chilling allows the flavors to fully meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious and delicious dressing. It also helps the dressing achieve its ideal creamy texture. Your homemade creamy ranch dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect drizzled over a fresh garden salad, as a dip for crisp vegetables, or alongside chicken wings. For storage, transfer any leftover dressing to an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days. Remember to give it a quick stir before each use. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.